The Smart Database Connector saves mobile captured data recorded with the Scan-it-to-Office app in real time into databases. In this video, we explain step-by-step how you can use your own databases for data collection tasks. All ODBC-capable database systems such as MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, Microsoft Access, and many others are supported. To set up a new database, open the Smart Database Connector Administration tool with your browser, usually located at address localhost 33333. In the area on the right, you can see the already configured databases. Click on plus to add a new database entry. For demonstration purposes, let's start by creating a Microsoft Access database. Start Access, choose New Database, and specify the location of the database file. Quickly create the two columns ID Parts and T-Stamp, and name the table Parts. Close Access. The Smart Database Connector accesses databases through ODBC. For this Microsoft Access database, an ODBC data source called DSN must first be set up on your Windows system. To do this, open the ODBC Administration for 32-bit data sources and create a system DSN using the Microsoft Access driver. Provide the name of the data source, in this example ODBC Parts, and the Access database previously created, and you're done. Now enter the DSN you just created into the Smart Database Connector in the field Connection String. The SQL statement in this field defines how the Smart Database Connector processes the mobile collected data. The statement is executed each time when the data has been received from the Scan-it-to-Office app. It must match the database and the input form used in the app. If the standard scanner view of the app is used, then the barcode data is available via the placeholder barcode. The placeholder send time represents the timestamp of the transmission. This SQL statement stores the barcode data and the timestamp in the ID Parts and T-Stamp columns of the Parts table. If you use your own input form in the app, then the names of the placeholders correspond to the field names in the input form. A note for SQL professionals: if you use a suitable database, it's also possible to call stored procedures. More detailed information and the list of all possible placeholders can be found in the user manual. The configuration is now complete and can be tested. By scanning the QR code, you pair the Scan-it-to-Office app with the Smart Database Connector. And now some barcode scans with the smartphone. Everything works perfectly. The scans have been stored in the database. Scan-it-to-Office is extremely versatile. You can connect any number of smartphones to a database at the same time. This is ideal if several people want to work with central storage simultaneously. Scan-it-to-Office also offers ready-to-made solutions for inventories and other standard applications such as check-in, check-out, maintenance logs, etc. More on that in the next video. Subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and thanks for watching.